All right, this is 6.2.8 Applied Lab, creating a new presentation using templates. Steps here to complete. The first one is creating a new presentation using the Metropolitan template. Insert a new title and content slide as the second slide. So my second slide, new slide, doing title and content. Duplicate this newly created slide. So I'm going to right click and duplicate that slide. And I'm going to create a new section named Research at the end of the presentation. So down here at the bottom, I'm going to go Add, and it's going to be called Research. And rename the default section at the beginning. So I'm going to come up here and right click on that and rename that section to Introduction. And then save the presentation. So I'm going to go File, Save As, find where I want to save it. It's going to go into the Documents folder, and we're going to leave it as a default PowerPoint format, and we're going to call it Marketing, and save. And then I'm going to come up here, check my answers. Everything should be good. That's it.